Graco Extend2fit Convertible car seat from the brand Graco is one of our recommended items for the parents who are looking to buy convertible car seats. With this product, you will find your child happy and easy throughout the journey in your car. We have evaluated the product based on its requirement to meet the safety standards, the distinctive features of the seat, and the generic features that should be there in any convertible car seat. Has front-facing and rear-facing options for the infant. Possess an extra 5-inch leg space for the child. The installation process is simple and easy. Harness storage and harness adjustment systems provide maximum comfort. Has 10 headrest features based on children's mood. Exceeds the federal safety requirements. Has been side impact tested for occupant retention. Click the link in the description below this video for more info and get this product today at the best price.